Welcome back to my channel. I'm Glammed Up D. If you're new for the first time, welcome. Today is day 6 of my SLAYMAS series. So I'm uploading a different Christmas look for the 25 days of Christmas. And today is Olaf, of course. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue on watching. Starting right out, I'm going in with this lip liner pencil. It's from Nabi. I just used to outline because I needed something smooth to use, and I can't find my sharpener for my liner pencil, so this is what I'm using to outline the face today. I kept trying to adjust myself so I can put my whole body in the camera because, yeah, I know y'all can't see the bottom, but I am going to show y'all the bottom eventually and where I do my little feet. So to start out first, I'm using the black from the Athena makeup palette, and that's the paint that I'm using to go in on the outer part of my look for today. So from that same paint palette, I'm using that white, and I'm going to outline first. Well, that's not what I did first, but I figured I should do it first because it's going to make it easier to fill it in. So I'm going to outline the outer side first and then go in and fill the middle in with the white paint. So I have not been taking away my eyebrows lately. I'm really just going to go on top of my eyebrows with this paint, and I'm just going to pack it on top of my eyebrows so I can take away my eyebrows as much as possible without using glue. Every time that I put down a first layer of paint, I am going to go back on top of that with the setting paint, with the setting powder from the Athena makeup palette that came with the paint palette, and I'm just going to put this in on top of the paint to set it into place. So with that same liner pencil that I used to outline my face, I'm using this to outline the shape that I want my eyebrows to be. Now I'm about to go ahead and outline my eyes. I know my eyes are not going to be even, but I did try. I had to go back and keep erasing them and bringing them back, but you know, I ended up getting it at the end. I just didn't know what shape eyes I wanted to do. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. I'm also outlining my mouth right here too. The mouth is one of the easiest parts, honestly. Yeah, I go take it away again. But I'm out of my nose right now, and I'm gonna attempt to do my eyes again, over and over again, for real. So I went ahead and started filling out my mouth area with that black paint. So of course, from that same paint palette, I'm using that orange shade, and this is what I'm going to use to fill in my nose. Of course, y'all already see me doing that. And yeah. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using that dark brown from the paint palette, and that's what I'm going to use to fill in both of my eyebrows. I already said that. I know y'all can still see my eyebrows, but just act like y'all can't. Act like y'all can't.
For a second, I almost forgot about his drip. I definitely gotta add his drip. So we going in with the buttons, and then on top of the buttons, I'm gonna fill it in with that black paint. So my nose was looking kind of plain to me, so I wanted to add some more detail. I went in with that dark brown, and I just started adding some lines to represent, you know, the lines and details that's on the original carrot. I'm outlining again. Well, again, I didn't outline yet, but I am outlining with the black paint. Y'all gotta excuse my background because once again I'm at work recording my voiceover, and we have industrialized, I think that's the word, industrial sized air conditioners, and it's literally being super rude right now, so just ignore that, please. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this part was a little tricky because I didn't want to make the line too thin, I didn't want to make it too thick, so I just started moving in slow, just to like feed into it, just to see how thick I wanted to make this part, and it actually came out perfect, if I do say so myself, and I do. Y'all do not know how many times I went over to try to do this eye. I cut all those parts out, but this is my final attempt. And I'm going back over it to make this area wider than the rest. Just how I did the other eye. You guys see my other eye? It came out so perfect. That's what I'm trying to reciprocate. So now I'm drawing a pupil. Of course, y'all can see that. And I actually like how I drew it. You know, it came out perfect the first time around, so I was happy about that. I just thought about a clip from Frozen when Olaf was like, Elsa, Anna, Finn, Samantha. He was like, I don't even know what Samantha. And he got real weak. That part had me so weak, y'all. So I was trying to see what I was missing, and I was missing some shading, y'all. So I went in with my Morphe Lisa Frank palette, and I'm using this light blue. I'm going to add some shading only around the outer part of the snowman. That's it. And I'm going to like press it in like I'm doing all the way around. So instead of outlining the middle with like black paint or something like that, I wanted to do it in the blue instead because it gives it more of that snowman effect. If I would have put the black line through the middle, I don't know, I feel like it would have messed the look up. So I wanted to add even more shading, so I used the dark blue, the dark sparkly blue from the same palette. I couldn't figure out how I wanted to do the hair, so I just figured out to print it out instead and tape it on. So that's what I did, and then I taped a piece of, no, I glued a piece of index card on the back of it and cut it out again, just to make it more stiffer, like to add more strength to it so it won't be too flimsy when I glue it on my forehead. And yeah. The one thing I do regret about using this is going back and not cutting the white pieces, the all I see. That irritated me so bad when I was done with the look. But you know, it was nothing I could do because I was already done. But that is something I regret. But I didn't do that with the arms, which is something that I'm happy that I wasn't being too lazy on. So right here, I'm just trying to figure out what type of placement do I want to do with my arm. I figured out what placement I wanted to do my arms. I think I want him like crossing over himself, and I'm just like pressing it on really carefully because I did glue this, and if I was to like lift this up, it is gonna lift the paint and mess up what I did. So I'm trying to just part really carefully.
So this is the final look. I like it. It came out really good. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another slay. And I will see you guys in my next video.